take 4. If I don't get this right, oh well. So, good morning. It is currently 8:58, I think, somewhere in that category. Anyway, I have a dental appointment. It's just to get a filling replaced on this tooth over here. Over here. My filling kind of like chipped just a little bit, like it kind of like crumbled, so it's like a pin size hole and I can feel it, and it's more so annoying, not any pain, but I was chewing gum and it came out on 4th of July, just a little piece of it, and I like crunched it. What the hell? But yeah, they're just gonna replace it. They didn't catch it at my cleaning appointment, but I told them about it. And I just want it replaced because I don't want it to turn into anything like a cavity or anything. So we're gonna go to the dentist. I'm gonna try to pull my camera out. It may be like a snippet of me like in the chair laid back or whatever. He moves really fast. He don't waste no time, which is why I like that dentist. And then after that, I'm gonna come back home and pick up all my stuff, which I'll show you guys in the next clip, everything that I'm taking. I'm gonna pick it up, put it in my trunk, and then we're gonna get on the road and we are going to North Carolina. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. All right, y'all, so this is my stuff that I'm taking. I'm trying not to find anything else to add to this pile, which is not a lot. That's my suitcase, just a little spare jacket, probably stay in the car if it's not too chilly. Walking shoes, my hookah base, the rest of it's in the car. I just took this out because it was like flying around in my trunk. And a speaker just in case, charger, and then a blanket, and it's a pillow up under there. My bag, got my like camera equipment, iPad, just all my electronics. I try to keep this bag close to me. So I just got numbed. Waiting. To go. I'm not gonna do too much talking because this side of my tongue is numb and I don't want to like mess around and bite it, because then I'm gonna be real pissed off. If you ever get like mad because you bit your tongue, see if I can turn y'all this way or not. But all right, we're getting ready to go. So from this point until I get there, unless I find something really cool, it's just gonna be like time-lapse video of me driving, but I'm not gonna do too much of it because I don't want this vlog to be too long. I feel like that's my mistake. It's supposed to be vlogging. What is that?
This is the vlog. I heard this is good though.
Tequila. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I did make it. I made it around 3 o'clock. Excuse me. Huh?
you know, washing them out the door. You know what I'm saying? Like, God, dog.
I think just take it out. I'll drop it.
So this not good, Jordan? What you say about it? It's good. It's good. I never tried it before.
It's good.
Hey y'all, so this is what we got so far.
I wouldn't mind some burger shop.
That's all? Hey, Brittany going first.
What size Patron bottle is that in the box?
Oh, that's a 50. Oh, Lord.
He's scared and throw up. It's alright.
What? Something to drink.
Huh?
76.82.
Oh, I thought you said 600.
Heck yeah. We all going to the same. Yeah. Most of Apple Pay, right? Was it? Apple Pay.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, hit me.
What's
I'm done.
Grant?
Cash every credit? 76.86.
You got 2 fireballs in?
No.
Hit me with my total.
70.84.42.
Oh, that's not bad.
Let me grab that.
That's not a bad price for the dog. I used to get that from
We got another flavor. I like this with some Coke. Yeah.
Not timing is right.
Okay. Drink.
On drink.
Unless, yeah, no.
They got good alcohol at this place?
No, I don't know.
Y'all want to be in my vlog? Are you okay with being in my vlog?
Damn, put me on camera, boo.
That's cool. Say hey, Britt.
Hey, y'all.
It's the birthday boy.
What's going on?
Alright. Yeah, Brittany made me a drink.
Okay,
Poison in the cup. Something JLB2, something. Let me see. It's on. It's connected to mine. Okay, a little 1800. What's that?
This is.
Friday vlog gonna be lit.
You gotta edit that out.
Liquor kicking in.
Arriba.
We still got to get to the restaurant. How far the restaurant?
No more than 15 minutes.
Cross town.
Happy birthday.
Brittany had water.